Okay, hi Christa.
Hi.
What you up to?
So I'm making some chickpeas, some hummus.
Oh, nice. Chickpea hummus.
So I'll get the bag of chickpeas.
Okay. So I see you got a pot here.
I just bought these chickpeas from this awesome wholesale organic place on Salt Spring.
Oh,
you get a lot of dried goods there. So I bought these chickpeas and I soaked them overnight.
Yeah.
About 24 hours. Water as the chickpeas, and I put a lid on top and just soaked them overnight.
Yeah.
And then you're pouring chickpeas in here. After I got back from work, I just brought these to a boil.
Yeah.
For 5 minutes, and then I let it
simmer. I guess.
Simmer for, you can do an hour to 2 hours.
Okay.
Depending on what sort of texture,
consistency. Yeah, I tested one. They're soft. Yeah. Cool.
So I did mine for just over an hour.
Okay.
And they're ready to make hummus.
I'm just gonna make hummus. I've never made hummus before, and she has Joe here helping.
Oh, I usually buy it from the store.
So Joe's cutting up some garlic. So we're gonna do garlic. We have lemon. I'm gonna add some sesame oil, olive oil, tahini, and you could do a bit of soy sauce. You can experiment with the spices that you put in them.
Okay. I love tahini.
I don't have that many spices right now because I just moved into this beautiful tiny home.
She did. This is Christa's tiny home.
This is my tiny home.
Beautiful.
What is tahini? What is it? A paste?
That's the sesame, right? Tahini's sesame.
Sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds. So it's like.
Okay. Okay, so it is, and it's been made into a paste.
Yeah.
Oh, so we'll probably use all of that. I don't have a lot left. I'm not going by any recipe.
Yeah.
I'm just adding in stuff, and then you can kind of we're going to be using this Vitamix blender here, and just kind of adding in.
Because you're a good chef.
Gotta play with that.
Good chefs don't follow recipes.
So there's 3 garlic cloves here.
That's great.
Okay, so that's good enough?
Thank you. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to try it with that much water, see how that goes.
Oh, yeah.
And
okay. So she's going to blend it in the Vitamix blender. Cool.
Does that sink have 2 sides or one? It's just one, It's just one small sink? Is that 2 sides or one?
It's a round sink.
Oh, it's just round, so it's only one. Yeah, it's better than nothing, eh?
Okay, so we got chickpeas in there.
Garlic.
We're going to do the garlic in. Nice raw garlic.
Nice.
It's going to be like a smoothie.
Antioxidant.
Yeah.
I'm going to put some cumin in there.
Oh,
cumin?
Nice.
Cumin.
Oh, cumin. I think you said human.
And I guess apparently the trick is a lot of olive oil for the flavor. So it's just like a big experiment. So
Joe's behind you being
so
like a little heckler
sesame oil. I like to just gauge it by. That's just what I do.
Because you've made it. Yeah.
I've made it a lot before, but I'm going to use more olive oil than normal. Sesame oil.
Oh, sesame oil.
Olive oil.
Okay.
And I'm just going to probably use the rest of this.
Yeah.
The
tahini.
Tahiti. It's in the South Pacific.
Tahini. So we got a lot of sesame.
Nice.
We got sesame oil and we got the tahini.
So you could even put some little sesame seeds in there too, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean you can experiment like if you want to put,
Come on.
you know, I might chop up some cilantro in there too.
Oh, nice. So you're gonna do a whole lemon or just a half a lemon?
I'm just gonna blend it and
taste it,
add it. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
And you can also put. I have a bit of turmeric, so I can put some of that in there. And
I guess if you wanted it kind of spicier, you could put a bit of cayenne.
Yeah.
So you get creative.
Yeah, I guess you
kind
could.
of spices.
But
So yeah, I like parsley. I like green, so I'm gonna put some fresh cilantro.
Nice.
Oh, that's the
Sweet.
Beautiful.
Go. Okay, let's try it out.
Nice. Nice and healthy too.
You could put some pepper in there.
You could, yeah. How much does this make? Like a little container for, right?
This will be like 2
Container
quite a bit.
containers.
Wow.
Yeah, and it
Where's the
keeps
lid?
really.
Oh, there it is.
Put it in
quite
the
a while
fridge. You gotta
fridge.
refrigerate it
Yeah.
when you're done.
Right, let's do
Yeah,
it.
nice for dipping veggies or on a pizza.
Be a better
or
video if you didn't have the
When you
lid on.
start these, you want to start them low,
Yep.
not high.
Low.
Make sure you don't have any utensils in there.
With the
And-
spoon.
Yeah, do.
Looks like a
Oh.
decent
Looks
consistency.
like a
Maybe I
shamrock
do
shake
a little
smoothie.
bit. It blended nice.
So how
Probably
what's the
do-
thickness of that?
I mean, it could have maybe had a little bit
Oh,
less
God, those are
water,
good
but
blenders.
I'm pretty happy with
Yeah,
how.
that's nice.
Do you guys want to try some?
Yeah, taste a little.
Oh no,
taste.
thanks. We don't like hummus.
Everybody gets their own spoon.
Your own spoon.
No, I want to
Okay.
share.
Try the
We're in a
hummus.
gathering of.
Here.
Yes.
Okay,
You gotta stay.
let's try it. I'll tell you.
Don't
Oh, not
over.
over Delidripin. Oh, gee.
It's
What does it
good.
need?
Salt.
Yeah, I know.
little
it
bit
needs
of salt?
There's no salt. I don't have salt.
It's
No, you
good.
don't.
It's really good. It just needs salt.
Okay.
But it
Like-
tastes. It's nice texture and everything. It's really
Yeah.
good hummus.
That's really
I'll get you a
nice.
jar of kosher salt.
Yeah, that's really good. It
Wow.
could also add
Look,
soy
nice
sauce, but I'm pretty happy with how
color
it
too.
tastes.
Oh, yeah.
Delicious.
Oh,
It's
yum.
nice for a snack. I'm gonna bring it to work.
Can I have a
You can-
taste?
Make
You can
sandwiches.
dip it.
Yeah,
you can dip
totally.
your chips in it and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's your pita
I'll
bread.
give you guys some
Pita bread.
hummus.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, it just maybe
Okay.
needs
Ooh.
some salt. That's all.
Oh.
Pita. It's good.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just a little bit of salt.
Salt
But
or
I mean,
any
that-
kind of other spice.
I can
you
really
might wanna
taste the
add.
You can
sesame
open
oil.
Do you guys
in that.
want to take
Go
the
home.
bowl?
It's really good.
You go home.
Oh, thanks.
Bowl?
Good for you.
There's your hummus.
Well, thanks, Christa.
Thank you. That
And
was
that's-
awesome. You want to go home?
How to make hummus.
Don't need to buy it from the grocery store.
That's right.
your
Homemade
own.
hummus from Christa's kitchen.
Very good.
Christa's tiny house kitchen.
It is a tiny
There
house.
we go.
Okay, thank you.
That was awesome.